Hello, and welcome to Rejuvenous TV's Skincare Academy, starring one of Hollywood's most sought-after doctors, Dr. W. Ray Henderson, and his beautiful host, Jamie Fierro. Here, you will get all the answers to your daily skincare questions. So stop aging and start living here at beautyplum.com.
What would a person's main skin concerns be before visiting a medical spa?
Well, that's a difficult question to answer because I think a spa facial can be one of several things. I think it could be a learning experience, how to keep care of your skin on a regular basis. I think it could be a particular item, such as you brought up earlier, a brown spot. What can we do for a brown spot? It could be a social experience, just going with your girlfriend to have a pleasant day in a beautiful spa like Caesar's Palace or something like that. A medical spa isn't geared to provide that sort of comfort. It's more of a therapeutic experience.
What should a person expect to see after visiting a medical spa?
Well, I think it should look more buoyant, more radiant. I think it should look more moist, more healthy.
Should a person bring a list of concerns, general health history, their medications, whether or not they're pregnant with them before visiting a spa?
To a medical spa, I think absolutely. And I think to any spa, absolutely. People would want to know that so that they wouldn't unnecessarily use products that might cause harm.
Is it safe for a person to have facials if they have known allergies?
Well, it depends on what their allergy is. If it's a topical allergy to something they utilize that may be in a skin product, certainly that's very important. If they have inhalant allergies such as pollen or dust, then I don't think it makes any difference.
How often should an individual have a facial?
That too is a difficult question to answer. I think some of it could be a fiscal answer. Can they afford a daily facial? I think that's overdoing it a little bit. I think twice a month on a good maintenance program is adequate because at that time the esthetician can be providing them with information as how they can better take care of their skin. They can encourage them to be compliant because compliance is the number one necessity for a successful skin program. They can also do some technical things that patients can't do at home, such as extractions, deep cleansing.
How can a person fix an uneven skin tone?
The basic treatment and the gold standard treatment is still tretinoic acid or Retin-A because that's going to smooth the skin and it's going to regenerate capillary proliferation as well as collagen thickening and the shifting of melanin cells so that there's less unevenness and more smooth looking skin.
How can a person keep their face free of blackheads or whiteheads?
Well, blackheads and whiteheads are comedones. We mentioned earlier that on another episode that blackheads are a comedone that have dead skin cells on top of them. A whitehead doesn't have any skin cells, it's merely the secretion from the sebaceous gland.
How much time after a facial should I wait to wash my face or resume my natural skincare that I use at home?
I think it depends on the time. If you have it, say at 5 in the afternoon and you're going to have dinner and go to bed at 8 or 9, the normal routine is for people to wash their face. I think I would advise some people if they've had a thorough facial, don't wash your face that night. Wait till the following morning. Give the ingredients that they utilize to be more effective.
How do you control skin that is constantly oily?
Well, I think by desquamation, and desquamation can be accomplished utilizing a wash rag, can be utilized using alpha hydroxy acids, which are glycolic is probably the most well known, which takes off the outer dead cell, and with that it removes excess oil. I think just a more strict and attention to caring for the skin.
What are the small white dots that accumulate just under the eyelid?
Those are either milia, which is a name for the superficial epithelial cells getting trapped, and they form a little whitehead, but it's not from a sebaceous gland, it's from a collection of epidermal cells, stratum corneum.